How to create a new list on Medium and save your favorite stories easily. Hey guys, in this video we teach you how to create a new list on Medium and save your favorite stories easily. To create a new list on Medium and save your favorite stories easily is here. All we need to do is open up our Medium right here. Once we open up our Medium right here, you need to do is on the bottom corner on the right. There you go. Alright, next to the search right there, right to the right. Click on the save icon right there. After pressing save icon right there, click on here at your library list, click on new list. Tap right corner. You can add the list name. For example, we're gonna add the list name to K L E E E and E J E R N A. There you go. Now I can put in the description if you want. And if you want, you can make it private by turning this on, or make it public by turning that off. But it's depending on you on what you like. But mostly I like to make it private, so I don't want people just snooping around, getting inside my list. You know what I mean? Yeah, there you go. So all we need to do right now is click on create once it's done. So there you go. As you can see, and to change it, click on 3 horizontal lines. Now you can edit the list info, make list public, or delete the list right there, but depending on you on what you want to do with the list. But yeah, there you guys, that's how you create new list here. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have question concerns, leave it down question below guys. I'll be answer as soon as possible and here on how to rock it guys. And there you guys, thank you guys. Oh.